Alright, what we're going to do today is actually manage and add categories. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Catalog, Manage Categories. Now, as we can see right here to the left, we have the default tree structure for what we have. We have the default category, which will always exist. This is the root category of the store. And then as you can see here, we have books, CDs, MP3 downloads, and conference sets. Now, what you need to remember is you can keep doing subcategories. You can throw them in this default category and kind of do whatever you need to do. Most of the time, what you're going to end up doing is just going off the default structure. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and click default category. This is where you could edit that name, but what we're interested in doing is adding a subcategory of the default category. So go ahead and click add subcategory. And right here's our tabs of information. So we're going to call this DVD sets. Is active. If you want it to display in the store, it needs to be yes. URL key, this is kind of the shortcut that'll be URL up here. If you leave this to default, it will go ahead and base it off the name, so I normally just default that. So if we scroll down here, that is pretty much all we need under general information. So now we're going to go to display settings. Is anchor, that is going to need to be yes if you would like it to display as a link in the front store. Other than that, these settings are all pretty much exactly correct. So we're going to go ahead and click Save Category. And as you can see, it popped up over here. Now the cool thing you're going to need to remember about over here is say that you would want DVD sets to go under conference sets. You can actually click and drag that and drop it right in. It'll save quick. And as you can see now, that is a subcategory of conference sets, but that's not what we want. So we're going to go ahead and click and hold. We're going to drag it up to the default, let it drop, and there it is. Now, as you can see here, it actually gives us a number of how many products are in each category. We have 0 in here, but what I want to do is show you how to quickly manage a product that is within a category. So as you can see, we have 6 books. So let's go ahead and click on the books category. Now in this category, you can go ahead and edit anything you would like, just like as if we were adding it. But there's this new tab called Category Products. This very quickly shows us active products in the store that are in there, in that category. So what we can actually do is we could uncheck this, click Save Category, and that product will no longer show up in the categories. This is like a really quick, easy way to remove and add products into categories, but most of the time when you're setting up the product, you'll be actually setting categories up then. So if we would like to delete this category because now we actually don't need it, you can just highlight it, and as you can see, we're there. You come up here and click Delete Category. And now it's gone. Easy as that.